Next up, more firepower, Tier 3 Act 2. We need to pack-a-punch a weapon to level 2, then kill 75 zombies with it, and kill a special zombie. You've probably already done this countless times, but we need to do it again for a mission now. Just keep in mind that you'll need a ton of cash in order to do so. You'll need about 4.5 or 5 grand to get your first pack-a-punch level, plus another 10 to get your second pack-a-punch level, so I'd highly recommend doing pretty much all of the quests that you can find. Eighth nests and things like that aren't really going to get you money, but if you find an orb floating around, I think it's a nether orb or whatever the name of it is, try and pop it out of the sky because it's going to be very useful. It'll give you probably 3k, maybe 2k, maybe even just 1,000. Any money is what we need to collect, mainly up until we get to about 50,000, or alternatively collect 5,000, get to a pack-a-punch level 1 with a good gun, pack-a-punch it, then save up for a level 2 and pack-a-punch that as well. Speedrunning missions is going to be your best friend though. Maybe the HVT targeting missions will be more successful. Well, let's head over and do this HVT mission. Alright, well, let's get ahead and do these missions. Getting some cash here, and of course a few items, which is pretty useful. We can even upgrade our main weapon as we're doing this. Cool. If you'd like to farm cash as well, another great way once you start getting a good weapon that can get lots of kills very quickly is to simply just camp an exfil. Call it in, kill a whole bunch of zombies, then let it fly away, do that over and over, and you can gain a huge amount of money really quickly. Maybe not as quickly as doing missions, but still very quickly. Actually, it'll sort of be comparable. Just you can call in the helicopter over and over, whereas you still need to travel between missions with a bit of downtime. Right now I'm only getting 10, 20, 30 in-game cash at a time. Anyway, grabbing some high-value items and selling them is also a pretty good idea, as long as you can find them. So here's the next HVT. Let's quickly get some cash over this thing. There we go. More money. Let's mark the next one and go for the next one. We've already got almost 6 grand, which is sort of halfway to fit. Bam, pack-a-punched, level 1. Now we just need some more cash, and we can do level 2. So we'll need about 10 grand for this, and we'll need to head to a pack-a-punch machine in the tier 2 zone, such as this one over there. Just keep in mind, you shouldn't be buying any of the perks or anything like that. You're purely just focusing on farming money, just for the pack-a-punch to get there as quick as possible. Yep, so collecting money through missions gives you about 2 grand for a successful mission. Of course, all the money you get from killing zombies in between. Let's just head over to the exfil and spam it a few times just to see how much cash we get from each run. I'm pretty sure we'll get a whole lot more than what we're doing through missions. Well, it seems somebody's already started this, so we won't get as much cash as we would otherwise, but there'll still be a whole bunch of zombies, and we can call it in again once they're gone. So we've already hit 7.2. So if we grab this insta-kill and use our ability here, 8 grand, and my UI's vanished. How am I supposed to know how much money I have? That's not good. Okay, this is very not good. Why did my UI vanish? 8,400. Okay, I'm just gonna have to use my menu from now on. That's brilliant. Of course, Call of Duty. Of course. Oh, my UI's back. Hello, UI. Well, that was pretty scary. Well, yeah, camping exfils definitely gets you money a heck of a lot faster than doing missions. Why even bother doing missions? Just camp the exfil. That seems very simple. Then we'll get the pack-a-punch tier 2 here. Then it's just a matter of getting kills, so we'll return back to the exfil, and to get a special zombie kill, all we need to do is probably activate a mission, or just roam around the tier 2 area until we eventually find one. Simple enough. So I'm waiting for the exfil to spawn back in. We should now easily be able to farm up a ton of cash. Heck, maybe we can even get some more bonus perks. We just need to run around in a big circle. To kill, that'll definitely help. Definitely not picking up nukes as we want all the money. Yeah, about 2,000 XP a bird, and I assume if you have more players here, there'll be even more zombies, meaning even more money. Hey, I'll take it. Alright, now we have more than enough. Let's head across to the pack-a-punch machine, pack-a-punch, and probably head back here to get the rest of our zombie kills. Then we'll head into the tier 2 zone to get the rest of our special kills. At least we only need 1 this time. So for now, we need to get up the hill and probably clear out a small mercenary camp, or at least run in, grab it, and run out. Well, this thing is well guarded, but we should be able to just run and grab what we need. Yoink. There we go. Alright, now it's just a matter of getting 75 kills. Now that we have a pack-a-punch level 2 gun, we can do this in the more difficult zones as it is pack-a-punch level 2, but we could also just head back to the easy zone and get this done very quickly. Any reason we'd want to hang around really is if we see a special zombie, but I don't. So heading back to the exfil, we're practically one-hitting all of these things. Well, we actually are one-hitting all of these things. We should get this done very quickly. In fact, we might not even need to call in this exfil. 75 is a really small number. We're at 19 already, but I suppose we can just speedrun it, get it over and done with. Just keep in mind, unlike before where we could use our energy mine and different weapons, we need to use only the pack-a-punch level 2 weapon. Not the end of the world, as this thing will just mow through zombies. So there we go, we're definitely done with the second part of this mission. Sweet. All that's left to do now is to head across to a special zombie and get them as well. So I suppose we can just leave this area and travel back towards the level 2 zone where we can probably pick up a mission here. Maybe a eliminate bounty would probably work, but preferably something that spawns in a normal special zombie, such as an escort mission, but that's way up north. And of course, the closest vehicle is nowhere, unless we can steal one of these. Oh, and of course, the radiation is spreading. Heading straight towards the escort mission, we should be able to take it through one orb destroying thing. It should spawn at least one special zombie, allowing us to quickly finish this mission and head back for exfil. Pretty simple. In fact, we can actually get there quicker just using this rift. What the heck are you doing up here? Okay, that's very weird. There's another one. What the heck are these things? I'll take it. Whatever. Weird. And another one. What? There's just free money hanging around in the sky. I didn't press grab that time, so you do need to spam E or F. Weird. Anyways, I suppose we could have started this mission in the first place and skipped out on the exfil entirely. Anyways, now we just need to keep this thing safe for a little bit, and after it eats this first orb here, the second one should spawn in a special zombie. Yeah, we definitely could have done that mission here. Anyways, now that the first one's exploded, we should be able to follow it to the second one, where there'll probably be a special zombie spawning in. So no special zombies just yet, but I'm sure we'll find them in just a moment. We just need to make sure that the special zombie doesn't get run over. Is that one? No, surely one of these things spawned in. Did none of them really spawn in? Surely somewhere. That's it. I actually think there wasn't one that spawned in somehow. Oh no, there we go. Finally. Okay, let's just get rid of that, and bang, we're now done with this mission. Super annoying to do, but anyways, that's most of this game. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.